How to create a Diablo Immortal account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you're looking for a way to create a Diablo Immortal account, then the game uses a Blizzard or Battle.net account system, so your Diablo Immortal account is actually tied to that. In order to create the account, you'll need to first install the game on your device and start the game. Once you see the login screen, you'll see options such as guest, sign up, login, etc. I have chosen the guest option previously, so if I want to sign up with Battle.net or Blizzard, I'm going to have to go to the upper right hand corner in the menu button, tap on it, and click on the gear icon at the top right. After you do that, you'll open up this settings menu where you need to click account on the left corner. From the account page, click on create account. You'll then open up this account.battle.net sign up page in a new tab. Go ahead and select your country and then enter your date of birth. Now click continue. Enter your first and last name in the respective text boxes on the next page and click continue. And now enter a valid email address you want to sign up with. Click continue. Once done, you can also enter your phone number. It is an optional, so I'm going to skip that. After you do that, on the next page, review the terms and conditions, check all of the boxes and click agree, and then create a password on the next page. Finally, click continue, and after a few minutes, you'll be able to sign up for Diablo Immortal with the Battle.net account. So there you have it. That is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. So there you have it. That is how you can easily sign up for Diablo Immortal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.